just managed to get through a window on the first floor, which was very difficult. Let's take you on a little tour of this place. So apparently this is the way to the morgue, and the only way to the morgue is clambering up this ladder and through a crawl space. Yeah. Oh, you wouldn't believe this part of the hospital. It's absolutely fantastic. This is a dark room with a viewing window. And this is where the caskets would have come rolling out of the doors from the morgue. Let's take a look. Look at that. And look where the sun's shining. It's just highlighting it. So you've got the rollers. Let's open these doors. There's another door here. Oh wow, look at that. And that goes straight into the morgue. Freezers. With the rollers. There'd be 3 bodies in there. Look at that. Wow. Shut these back up. Never seen one of these before. See what else they got in this place. It's quite an old building actually. Quite scary. Paint peeling off everywhere. An old toilet in there. Desk. Very old toilet in there. Look at that. It's a bit trashed in here, but wow. Biohazard. Oh look. And these are the fridges. Look at these. So this is where they would have, look at that, keep free. Wow. And there's the hatch on the other side, look, that they would have rolled through. Wow. So cool. Biological hazard. Look at the handles. Wow. Oh, wow. More fridges. This morgue is huge. That's where we came from. Let's look in. Unlucky number 13. Wow, there would have been a lot of bodies in here. Oh. Wow. God. So many bodies. There's more freezers down here. Really tall ones. Look how tall they are. God. Wow. Can't get through there. If I look back in this room. This is the ladder we used. I'm guessing there would have been big stone slabs on these things that the bodies would have been on. It's a shame they've gone. Look at this on the floor. You'd have had to wash yourself down before coming in. Just changing rooms down there. Do like this big room here though. Look at that. So this is where I'm guessing the bodies would drain out with blood, because these are all slanted. So a body would be placed on there. I'm guessing a headrest would be on there, and they would drain out all the blood. And then there's some kind of viewing gallery up there that you could just watch. Fantastic room though. Wow. Just found the blood bank, which is literally a huge safe. Which you can actually, big enough to walk in. X-matched blood. Look at it, it goes right up. There's 3 floors in this place. Let's see what's through here. Bits and pieces left, which is nice to see. There's some kind of equipment here. The brightness up a bit. Look at all these things. Test tubes and machines, which I have no idea what they did. Scientific equipment, there's face masks there. Let's take a look upstairs. There's nothing much really in these other rooms. Looks like an old staff room there. Goes up again, look. Let's just have a little look through here. key cupboard there. There's another door back here. Huh. Oh wow. Wow. Look at this. So what was this used for? Like making things with rubber gloves that you wouldn't touch with your own hands. Huh, that's quite cool to see. There's another one there. Wow. I don't know what it is. Henderson Biomedical Limited. Nothing really left in the cupboards. Big glass cabinet there, which goes through. Change gloves immediately after handling blood products. So this will go through into another room. Wow. Huh. This is quite a big hospital actually, with doors everywhere. Security are on site as well. I've got to be really quiet and careful with my light. Reception there. Another staff room here. I'm here today with Exploring with Finn and Gasman. They're here somewhere. Can't remember which way to go. Look at the size of this door though. Wow. So this would have been used for X-rays. To see X-rays and things. More machinery in there. Huh. Looks like a little consultation room there. Oh. Look at that, that's an old, very old chair actually. Very metal. The last part of my video didn't record at the hospital, so I'm just doing a quick outro just to say thanks for watching. What did you guys think of that? I mean, I've never done a morgue before. I didn't know what to expect from it. Didn't know what it was going to be like inside. There were so many fridges and spaces for bodies in there. It must have been packed full at some points. I mean, that place must have held 50 bodies, I'm sure. Nice place to see. Didn't want to stay there too long. Had a real creepy feeling to the place. But I'm glad I got to film it. In, out, show you guys, and on to the next video. So I'll see you soon. Bye.